Hi everyone, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Fashanisto, where you get all about new fashion and trend related videos. So, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more. I was just kidding. Do whatever you want to. So, guys, if you are new here, yes, don't forget to subscribe and also uh, let's begin today's video with a lot of best wishes and prayers for you and for your family, and happy Eid to all of you, as it is Eid today, Eidul Adha. So yeah, let's begin today's video, guys. In this video you will see the most attractive and stunning hairstyle and hair colors, hair dye. If you are really planning to make your look attractive and charming, then this video is for you, because in this video you will see beautiful haircuts and hair dyes. I must tell you that your whole personality depend upon your dressing sense, your haircut and hairstyling, and your footwears. These three important things. These are the three important thing. And if you are really into of having a beautiful hair dye, then do watch the video, because in this video we have put the multiple shades of purple and blue, along with a pink and some reddish shade. And yeah, in this series of hair dye you will see different and multiple beautiful hair dyes for yourself. So just watch the video and select any of the hair color for yourself and get it done. And yeah, that was all about today's video. I'm sure that you will love this video. If you have any query, any question, please don't be hesitate. Just comment us in the comment section and we will reply you there. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye.